Well, if you like that, I'm gonna show you how to install this boy. And I'm gonna do it a little bit different than everyone does it because, you know me, I like to do it differently. So I'm gonna be using this heater hole right here. You can use the AC one and it's, you know, it's a different plug, but I'm gonna use the smaller one right here and it also hides the wiring. So let's start. On this side right here, you can see that the plate is just wide enough to cover this hole. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to nutsert the holes in here, 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 and here, so I don't have to put a nut on the other side and have like two people doing this. And this is just a preference, but what I also do is add a little bit of Honda Bond on the back, pop it on, that way it's nice and sealed. So we're just gonna get some tape. Okay, so I like to use the tape to kind of guide me on where I'm putting everything, okay? You gotta make sure that you block the hole completely. Then we're just gonna draw this circle because this circle we're gonna cut out. We're gonna be using my step drill for this. After you get this all cleaned up with a countersink tool, we're gonna be using our riv nut setter. It's one of my favorite tools ever. Super easy, just insert this guy and then squeeze. Yeah. Okay. Make sure you get the proper rib nuts for this, by the way, because it could be too long or it could be too short. I'll show you that right now. So right here, see this right here? I'm not sure if this is gonna focus, but different thickness of metal will require different thickness of rib nuts. So this guy right here is for thinner metal. The longer these guys are, the thicker the metal.